Okay, so we've got a check engine light on and just doing a scan. Got an OTel scanner here. Super happy with this. I was just about done scanning and we're gonna go look at the check engine lights and we're gonna see trouble codes. First we'll read the codes. P0452. So tank pressure sensor low. And so first thing you check, you take a look at it. Now I flipped that O-ring just to make sure it was clean. So what I'm gonna do is, first thing I'm gonna do is gonna spray some cleaner on it, and we'll start with that. I use fluid film. I love this stuff. Okay, and then I will spray some around on there. Alright, yeah, you're gonna give it a good wipe. Now something I can't show is yesterday I actually found a crack in the seam right where the restrictor there meets the tube. I saw a little crack. So what it is, I actually put JB Weld there. So I actually fixed the hole in the filler neck. I'm gonna put this on here. The repair did not fix it, by the way, but I'm gonna see if putting some, making the seal a little bit better helps. So we'll start with that. Come over to our scanner, and what we're gonna do is let's go back, and we're gonna erase codes, and yep. Okay, so we're back. Good. So let's turn it off. Back on. And our check engine light is off. Boom. Live data. And the evaporative emission. Okay, so run the live data here. We're watching it, and it's still saying 0 volts at the front fuel tank pressure sensor, and sure enough, yep, our check engine light is on. Okay, so that would be about what I would expect. So this could be a fuel tank pressure sensor. Okay, so it's a GMC 2500 HD, and we're putting in a fuel tank pressure sensor, and it's right up and over. And as much as I'd love to be able to show you guys, I've dropped the tank down a little bit, sitting on a jack, enough so I can get my arm up and over, and that's about as much as I can show you. You'll feel it on the top, and it's just a pull straight up. Okay, so I've pulled off the fuel pressure sensor. Okay, let's start out with a couple lights. Now has nothing, and we're running here, and let's go up here. Fuel tank pressure, 0 kilopascals. The sensor's at 1.43 volts, and so seems to be happy. So we'll see how that goes. So this is how you diagnose and repair a P0452 on a Chevy 2500 HD.